Hello my people, welcome to another one. Today we are in Otolo, Nnewi, Anambra State. We are here to talk around some projects, actually some abandoned projects. One is abandoned, one is now being revived. So I'm here with Agui Kemba. He's one that will show me around. He's my tour guide for today. So we are touring two places today. One is High Court. I don't know if you can see the High Court behind me. A very massive High Court that was built so many years ago, and at the time it got abandoned. And at the other end is a power plant, very massive power plant that when completed, it will turn around this environment. Like, it will attract so many investments, companies and all that. So we really have something massive going on here, but I will show you guys. Just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, follow my pages. Let's just dive right into the video. I go say hi to my viewers now.
Hi.
Yeah. This is Nnewi Power Plant Project, located in Ndiembu community in Otolo, Nnewi, Anambra State. This project was started so many years ago. At a time, it got abandoned. But of recent, work has started at the site with a very fast pace of delivery. When this project is completed, it will attract more industries and SMEs and even other businesses into Nnewi and environment. It is really a very massive project. So that's the power plant over there. I hope you guys can see it. Let me take you a tour around the plant. Let me give you guys a tour around the plant. So guys, you have seen the power plant project in Nnewi and Anambra State. What do you think about this project? What do you think about the potentials of this project in attracting investments in the future? Drop your suggestions and opinion in the comment section. Do well to subscribe to my channel and follow my pages on social media. Thank you. Till we see in the next video.